Compared to 2022, the software products for drone management were presented at the EXPO, wider and attracted more attention. The Highlander company presents its Orion, which is unmanned traffic management UTM software. The Omnisys company presented their battle resource optimization software. The mutual between them is the unmanned systems, as an object of operation. The UTM's aim, to create space where crewed and uncrewed aerial vehicles can operate together, in harmony. Highlander software solutions that set a global standard for drone fleet management and consolidated airspace control. The platform boasts an extensive toolbox of features that turns any drone into a specialized work tool for applications including emergency response, security, deliveries, construction, precision agriculture, mapping and more. Highlander is a partner of many industry-leading companies. Its software can handle any number of drones, of any type, and the intuitive interface is packed full of utility and safety features, so new users can hit the ground running. Once the fantasists named it the Skynet, then machine learning, then neural networks. Today we call it artificial intelligence. The Battle Resource Optimization System is the platform that allows you to upload your battle assets. Upload your terrain maps and weather conditions. Upload the same for your vis-a-vis. Then you describe your mission and get the most optimized mission plan and resource assignment. The BRO Commander module is responsible for real-time reporting of mission performance levels. The BRO Debriefer is the module designed to streamline post-mission analysis, significantly boosting the performance of upcoming missions. Omnisys software is primarily used in military projects, and is commonly provided as an add-on for specific applications. Airways, a trailblazer in autonomous drone traffic management, offers an AI-based fully autonomous USSP UTM system that unlocks the maximum potential of commercial drone activity, while providing unprecedented control and safety in the lower airspace. The system can make autonomous decisions, such as flight validation, approval and new route suggestions, all within the 5-second window. The UTM continuously monitors the airspace for manned and unmanned aircraft to avoid risks, and can autonomously reroute drone flights while airborne. On the other hand, the drone operators also report to the UTM USSP. As a result, Airways is the only solution that enables fully dynamic management of the airspace, for different types of drones, their operators, and cases of application. Airways is already a part of the world-first commercial dynamic U-Space project at the Port of Rotterdam.